Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a 3D test in 3 ways in the FreeCAD. First, let's create a 3D test on this block. Go to the draft workbench, then select the face. Make this face as the working plane. Then select a shape from test, or you can select it here. Then you can import the test here, and above is the position of the test. Let's go to the top view, select a reset point to set the test position. And you can select the font from what you have in your system. And I will use Arial for this test. Then click OK. Next, go to the isometric view to check. Then select the test and go to the size. Let's try the size to 20, maybe 40. And next, let's go to the top view. Go to the placement, position, select the value, and we can use the mouse roller to adjust the position. Now let's recheck and keep adjusting. Okay, for the test is not under the body, so let's drag it into the body. Then select the test and go to the part design workbench. Go to pad and set the length to 2, then click OK. If you want to create a cut inward test on the body, you can use Pocket to cut. That's all for the test on the planar surface. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D test on this cylinder. First, go to the draft workbench, change the working plane, select the XZ plane, and select the shape from test. Then go to the front view, and click on the reset point. Choose a rough position, and keep the other options. Then click OK. Now select this test, go to the position, and make it move -100 in the y direction. We are going to make the test shape project on the cylinder. Now let me hide the grid and select the test. Go to the front view. We are going to adjust the position. Select the value and use the roller to adjust. It's fine. Then go to the part workbench. Select this tool, project on surface. First, go to select projection surface and select the cylinder surface. And you can add a face, well, or edge to project. And this time I will use add face for the shape. Then zoom in to select the test shape. Press the Ctrl key to keep selecting. Okay, and next is about the projection direction. The default direction is the moment when you select this tool. And here we need the projector on the front view. So we can use get a current camera direction, or you can use the Y direction. You see the test face are projected. And we can add an extrude height on these faces. And set it to 1, then click OK. Now let's hide the shape string. And the 3D test body is isolated with the cylinder. You can use the Boolean tool to combine. And if you want to create an inward test into the body, select the test body and make it move in the projection direction. Move 1 mm in the Y direction. Then select the cylinder and press the Ctrl key to select the test and go to the Boolean cut. Okay, that's good. But if the test is larger than the section area of the body, or you need to wrap the test on the surface, it's not the good way. So I will show you how to use this tool, Sketch on Surface, to wrap the test on the cylinder face. This tool is from the Curves workbench. You can go to Tools, Add-on Manager, then search the curves, this one, then install it. And after install it, you need to reopen FreeCAD. Then you can find it on the workbenches. First, we need to make this test into a sketch. Select it and go to the draft workbench. Then use the tool draft to sketch. Now we have a new sketch for the test. It's okay, it's not a full constraint. Then let's hide this shape and go to curves. Before using this tool, we need to modify the test. Let's select the sketch, right-click, and go to the Attachment Edit. First, select the cylinder face as a attached reference, and for the mode, select the Deactivate, so we can move it later. And select the sketch, go to Placement, Position, and set the Z distance to 0. Make it on the XY plane. Next, go to the sketch, Active Construction Geometry, then draw a rectangle as the boundary for the test to contain all the edges. Then close the sketch, select it, and go to the tool, Sketch on Surface. Now you see the test is on the cylinder, but the orientation is not as we want. So let's select it and go to the Touch Up. Try to reverse the V direction. Then check Fail Faces for the test. And if you want to add thickness, make sure you select a Fail Extrusion and set a thickness. But the test is too big to the body. Next, I will show you how to adjust the test size. Let's go to the sketch and adjust the rectangle. Make the boundary bigger. Then close the sketch and you will see the test fit for the boundary. And the test body is not combined with the cylinder. You can use the Boolean tool to fuse them. If you want to create a color invert test on the body, modify the thickness to minus the value. Then select the body and press the Ctrl key to select the test body, and go to the Boolean cut. Then we get the engraved test on the cylinder. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.